Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Fibro, Kaneke ke Apex News India, ki kuborban puli di Fiba Corridor Marbo. Tunya Pashwa Shakimat Kibakongsan. Kubor kibabanya. Usumbod Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Upres Donting Song ubabad ya katanat home portfolio mentakas ni ula krenting haba jubab ya kajing skokya halor kajing ti du yong bian hakajala. Uting Song ula panpaw babun ki kamti do yong bian kilaja hakijaka jingai bat omla ban point. Kaba penlong ya kajing pentre kam kaba ya kibor pulit. Ulapan paru ya ki jingduna ki pulit Henry ulapan scam baga jela kam kwa ban penjari ya ki bor pedeng bat ban penjari ya ki jingkhang ti duyong.
And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out investigation or whatever accordingly.
Sir, High Court is today, in fact, High Court has taken a suo motu case against the illegal mining activities in East Jayanta Hills, particularly this dynamite blast issue. So, what government is doing to control the illegal mining activities in East Jayanta Hills?
See, right now we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two again, yes, today, within 10 days time again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court, and I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court, so let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side.
There's been a lot of political criticism towards the government, stating that the government is very much well aware of these illegal activities. So how can it be possible that government is not aware, and despite many incidents have happened in the past also?
See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it, the report. We have tried our best. But now again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.
Kajing yakan ad hakasan himasima kaladang jur hameghalya hadin kajing jaba shirkhei tam jong kajila ha kakam ti yaki pardo yong. Kalyang persya kaladawa ban penhiar syuki ya umentri rangba kajila ukongrat ke sangma halor kajing bathai bom kabadon kajing ya day bat kajing ti du yong bian ha is Jayanta Hills. Henry na kalyang usumbod mentri rangba Upres Donting Song ulakan tad yakani kajing ya dawa da kabaong baka day tangka politics na kadaw kasan himasima. Ulapan paru baka sorkar kan siyem ya kajingkit kli kabapura bat ban pentik na ban siyem ya kila jingyada ki bakam ting ban khanglat ya kum kini ki kamle bian ha kalawe.
I think you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that President also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing, we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop. immediately.
So, is there any update from the ground? Is the search rescue operation still going
Well,
on?
yes, the operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned personnel to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground.
Sa kanungot kitry Kamitay Pardaw yung
Kikubor ki baday na ka national kadwengot ki dukhad jong ka BJP kila tho siya u speaker jong ka Lok Sabha u Om Birla da ka bapenpaw ya ka jinget ka bapura ha ka jinglong nong yalam jong u. Kani ka shikti kalawan hapdeng ka jinget hu padba bala banwan ka jingya dawa no confidence but kabot ya ki jingkren jingya persya na ki MP ka Congress halor ka jinglong kam jong u speaker. Kadorbar mang tingka budget session jong ka parliament kala siya pinklumar la artayaw liter na marka jingkeno jong kalyang persya ba u speaker ula kersyan ye ki syuki jong ka tanat platingka.
There is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Speaker of the Indian Union, and there is Mr. Om Birla. When Modi ji went and shook your hand, and I went and shook your hand, I noticed something. When I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand.
Kajing klumar kalami hakishnong bamarjan jong ka litent bat mangkot haka district ukrul jong ka Manipur. Kabalapen long ya kinong shnong ban pet krat nalaki jong ki ying kisam. Laya thu baka jing yakan at kalami hapdeng ki dikhot jong ka jat binriw tangkul naga bat kuki. Kipulet ki lapin tikna ba ki don arpusan teliki ying bat saw teliki ying sa jong ka sarkar ki bala syathang bat layo asngaw ya ki jing sawa suloy hakapor bajay ki jing yakan at kabalapan mi ya ka jingti. Kibor pahara ki bakenthop ya ki sipay BSF, CRPF, Assam Rifle, bat kiwe ki kinhon CAPF kila don hakatay ka jaka. Lapin jari ya kapakhang shnong hakashnong litan tat hadu banda penmi da kiwe pat ki hukum. La register ya ka FIR bat ka jing toket kadang ya chakman.
We have just 3-4 days we started. We have not even formed the full cabinet, full government also. So, but we cannot rest. So, we're coming out to work with the people, understanding the feeling of the people.
Sir, what is the overall assessment of the situation? You had detailed discussion also.
Yeah. It'll improve. It'll surely improve because the people also want to have peace. It was started, as I said just now. It was started because of few people. Because of some, we can say they are rascal. So it was misunderstood. It was being communalized. It is very unfortunate. So now we came to understand. So slowly the people understand. So it'll.
Any message for the people of Manipur?
That's why I've just said we need peace. Peace is the only way for us, Manipur. As you said, because of this, Honorable Prime Minister, with his blessing, Home Minister, with his blessing, we want peace in Manipur. So a new popular government has been installed in Manipur to bring peace in the state. That is our objective, priority.
Thank you, sir. All the best.
Oh, hibai na no sim zi bo he. He. No sim zi na he. Chỉ thông tin là cốt tay rồi chứ. Rồi miễn siêu là, yêu siêu là, phước kiều là. I don't know. No, cái gì thằng tên này nè. Thế kia. Chỉ là cái những nó sẽ anh đi xử nào là cốt tay rồi chứ mà thấy. Kìa. Cái gì vậy là. Kìa. Ôi kìa. Chị phải nấu cà ri chứ này. Chị. Có tao là quyết thoát tay mình cái này. จึงร้านชื่อละทดไตเลยแล้วก็ชินะสาวจิบซีจี
Kajanja National Council Kalabu Jinkili Halor ka Jingbethei Jong ka Krem Doyong ha East Giant Hills ha ka Santrik Urimpang Kabala Shim ya Arpo Prangut Kimin Simbrio. Ha ka Jingpin Bana ka Council Kalakano baka Jingjur Jong ka Jingbethei kapen I baka la banlong ka Jingpinjot Tang ha ka Jingja accident. Kalakhot ya ka Jing Toket ka Bakham Jiliu Kintup ya ka Jing Toket Halor ki Jingkano baka don ka Jingwan Rung Tu Bian na Shabar Put. Kaseng kaladawa ban kem yakitu ki badon kti ha kakam khayi bian bat lakhot ban pen kala ya ka policy ti pardo yong jong ka jila.
Our district as well as a non-tribal from the state or we can say from outside the country. But we from the JNC we would like to send our deepest condolences to the families of the deceased. As an organization, we would like to state that the incident in Mansingat Hansko has shocked society deeply. We cannot accept this tragedy as a simple accident. There is a strong suspicion that this is an attack on our communities which cannot be known and beyond our imagination. There is one statement from one of the laborers who worked there in Tansko. He came to know from his statement that there are five areas which there is of the illegal mining out there. But on the day of the blast, two of the mining are not working. So if the two will be worked, the debt will be increased so we from the JNC we feel like this is not just an accident. So we feel because we came to know also from the public of East Jantia that most of the laborer in Tansko is an outsider, it's not just outside the state. But we came to know that a lot of the laborer are from this our neighborhood country, Bangladeshi. Most of them are Muslim. So we have the government has provided scientific mining. But to apply that scientific mining, we need an area of a very big land, like 100 acre plus, to get a prospecting license. So it is very difficult for the public to apply, in general, to apply this kind of scientific mining because 80% of our residents, especially in East Jantia Hills, most of them they have a small scale mining. So if there is a small scale scientific mining, then it will be a good. It will provide a benefit for the public as a whole. And we have seen this incident, what is happening in Tansko, just not shock our state, but it's also shock as a country as a whole. We have seen our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released a compensation to those who deceased in this case. So, and some of the union ministers also have provided a press release on this matter. But we from the JNC through the media house, we want to send a clear message to our Prime Minister and to our Union Minister of the Government of India that they should not only it should not only just a compensation or just a press statement. We want them to give us a solution so that this kind of thing won't happen in future. So we want the Government of India to provide our state Meghalaya small scale scientific mining so that it will be a profit for both for the public as a general, to all the public, not to some. So because if this illegal mining continue to happening, there will be a great loss for the state, the central and the autonomous district council. We have seen in our Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, like the council cannot provide a salary for their worker. Maybe this is due to the leakage of the revenue of the government. So if they can provide us the small scale scientific mining, I think this incident or this kind, the leakage of the revenue can be controlled. So we from the JNC, we want the government to go deep or to consider our demand to provide us the small scale mining. So you feel
Ka Eastern Command investiture ceremony 2018 Kalapanlong Haumroy Military Station Jongkajala Meghalaya. Lieutenant General Ramchandar Tiwari Ulapanyat Yakani Kajingdaki Hakabala Sam Ya Laipu Nyotali ki Kusnam Jong ki Jingshilor but ki Jing Shakri Bakarpang Shaki Shipai Indian Army. Lakan Thup Buramru Ya South Khandai Tali ki unit Kaweka School Padba Jong ki Shipai but la ai kublay da ki Kusnam ya ki unit. Ki officer Barangba but ki Bahaying Jong ki Nong Yo Kusnam ki layadan lang hakani kasin.
मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत 3 कोर इंटेलिजेंस बटालियन 21 मई 2024 को मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत देश के पूर्वोत्तर में एक इंटेलिजेंस डिटैचमेंट कमांडर के रूप में तैनात थे। इस दौरान मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत ने गुप्त निगरानी के माध्यम से 3 विद्रोहियों को पकड़ा। जून 2024 को उन्होंने 3 और ऑपरेशन किए जिससे 6 विद्रोही पकड़े गए और भारी मात्रा में हथियार बरामद हुए। मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत ने 5 अन्य ऑपरेशनों में भी अपनी जान को जोखिम में डालकर विद्रोहियों के ठिकानों को नष्ट किया और भारी मात्रा में गोला बारूद बरामद किया। ऐसे वीर प्रयासों और सैन्य प्रदर्शन के लिए मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत को सेना मेडल वीरता से सम्मानित किया जाता है। मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Kalapanlong ya ka Jingyalang play parda ya ka lumpung yale kai jong ka AIUE Zone Inter University Handball Tournament 2021 bat 2022. Hakani ka Jingyakom ki don hadu sanpau tali ki school ba bat kumba nyo pusan tali ki kinhon ki baya shimbenta. Ya kani ka Jingyalang la play padba da umentri ka jala Meghalaya wailat Miki Shela. Yang sabar
That was a beautiful performance by the University of Science and Technology.
Ki pulit ki layo ban kurup khandai phunriu kilo ukenja ha ka jingi khanra ka bala pinlong hajan ka jingking bardowal katkum ka jingte bari yakate ka mar balakhang bat ka bala long bian ka shongdor kumba khat khandai lak arpho hajar bat la sham ba omdan bakam trai yakate ka jaka la register mukadduma hasuna mura police station bat ka jing toket karang ya chakma
अबंडेंट प्लेस है तो यहाँ पर रेड करके हम लोगों ने 4 ड्राम बरामद किया है जो फुल ऑफ ड्राई गांजा। तो ये वेट करके देखा गया कि उसका जो है 96 की जो ड्राई गांजा, तो हम लोगों ने ये आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग ऑल लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज हम लोगों ने ये सीज किया है एज ऑन क्लेम। और हम लोग एक सोनामुरा थाने में एक इंक्वायरी स्टार्ट कर दिया है हम लोगों ने कि उसका जो एक्चुअल ऑनर है ये कौन इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है। और हम लोग एक देख रहे हैं जो भी इसका कोई मतलब एविडेंस मिलता है कोई ओनर का, तो हम लोग जरूर उन लोगों के खिलाफ लॉफुल एक्शन लेंगे। और उसका जो मार्केट वैल्यू मतलब जो ब्लैक मार्केट वैल्यू ये तकरीबन 1,92,000 के आसपास होगा। तो हम लोग ये देख रहे हैं, जो भी मतलब उसका कोई मतलब अगेंस्ट में कुछ एविडेंस मिलता है तो हम लोग जरूर उन लोगों के खिलाफ लॉफुल एक्शन लेंगे। थैंक यू।
चीफ जस्टिस करी इंडिया Usuryakant ula ay jingkren kabating syaki sorkar jela da kabaong baomla bankangla yaki jingya jong ka SIR process. Ka Supreme Court kalapanmi ya ka show cause notice sya way uhe pulit ha West Bengal but lapan jelan yaki por banpanmi ya ka thop tab vote bakhadu da kinyosni. Unong yalam ka BJP u Dilip Ghosh ula keno baka sorkar Trinamool Congress kalap persyang bankangla yaki jing penlong SIR process ha West Bengal. Uloong ba omdan jing yatray lang na kalyang kinong tray sorkar but ula kamru ba ka mintri rang ba ka jela ka Mamata Banerjee kalale cha ke ying bishar da ka daw jong kasan perthai.
देखिए, बंगाल में SIR को रोकने के लिए टीएमसी सरकार और पार्टी भरपूर प्रयास कर रही है। यहाँ के जो भी SIR को आगे ले जा रहे हैं कर्मचारी या सरकारी कर्मचारी, सारे अगर नॉन कोऑपरेट करेंगे तो कैसे पूरा होगा। और इधर ममता बनर्जी कोर्ट में जाके दाखिला दे के बचने की प्रयास कर रही है। इसलिए अभी 8,000 से ज़्यादा जो नए कर्मचारी ऑफिसर को दिया गया, वो कौन है, कहाँ है, उसका कोई आता पता नहीं है। तो 1,38,00,000 लोगों को नोटिस भेजा गया, उसका सुनवाई होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए मैन पावर होना चाहिए, वो नहीं हो रहा है। और जब तक ये सरकार कोऑपरेट नहीं करेगी, मैन पावर नहीं देगी, तो कैसे पूरा होगा। तो ये टामाडोल केवल बंगाल में हो रहा है, बाकी कहीं नहीं है। लेकिन कुछ भी करें, टीएमसी सरकार बच नहीं पाएगी।
Badai itu kubor ila poisya kabakun tahadu bengidai syambiang leishibu.
Apex News, India, Northeast.